Believe it or not, you will be amazed in the morning, waking up as a new person. Garlic grows in numerous parts of the world and is a popular ingredient in cooking due to its strong smell and scrumptious taste. Aside from this, modern science has actually just recently confirmed lots of useful health results of garlic. Aside from this, contemporary science has just recently confirmed many useful health effects of garlic. Garlic supplements is known to enhance the function of the body immune system. If you typically get colds, then including garlic to your diet plan might be incredibly handy. Including garlic to your diet might be extremely practical. Garlic is considered a very powerful antibiotic and anti-inflammatory agent too. It is very effective to use garlic in curing ear infections and recurrent headaches. How to use fresh garlic to kill ear infection pain within about 15 minutes, and clear up the infection completely in about 48 hours. Cut a small tube, or plug-shaped piece of fresh garlic bulb. Wrap that piece in tissue. Place the wrapped garlic into the ear canal. Don't shove it down in there deeply. You just want it resting in the opening like an ear plug. It's best to do this right before bed, and leave the garlic in the ear all night. It will likely fall out sometime during the night, but it should stay in there for at least a few hours. And that's as long enough. Please subscribe to our channel and also share it with your friends. Do not forget to check out more videos, which will appear shortly.